In this video lesson, I will show you what is points to pips calculator, so you can see how to easily convert points to pips if you have entry price, stop loss and the take profit. Here it is, a points to pip calculator, and the link to this calculator I will leave below in the description. You will have also details how to use this one in your favor and what is all these fields that you have seen inside this calculator. On the right side I have EUR/USD chart where I will show you on an example how to use this points to pip calculator. First of all, I will use EUR/USD as a currency pair and I will define three price levels. The first one is current market price, which will be the entry price, and then I will define what is a stop loss, for example, let's put it here, and the take profit level here. So we have three levels and I would like to calculate the price difference between these two price levels, between the entry price and the stop loss, and between the entry price and the take profit. And that is because I would like to see how many pips and also the points is the difference. Here inside the calculator, points to pips calculator, first of all you select a symbol, and that means how many decimal points this symbol has. Because if you go to the chart, you can see that the EUR/USD has 5 decimal points. You can see that after the decimal point you have 5 numbers. The last number in this price is the point. So the point is equal to 0.1 pip. So if you, for example, take a look here, if the price changes from 1.12345 to 1.12346, it will mean that the change is on the 5th decimal point, which is a 1 point. So the change will be by 1 point or 0.1 pips. And the pip is equal to 0, and 1 pip is equal to 10 points. So if we select this one, 5 decimal points, because our EUR/USD symbol on the chart has 5 decimal points, we simply enter these entry price, which is 1.06875, stop loss would be 1.07486, and the take profit would be 1.05786. When you click calculate, you will get a stop loss difference in price, which means the difference between the entry price, which is here, and the stop loss. And you will get also the take profit price difference, which is from the entry price here and the take profit here. Now for the stop loss you get 0.00611, and because you have 5 decimal points, that means if you would like to get the number of pips, you would get here the last, second and third decimal point from the right would be a number of pips, and here the last point is the last decimal point, the 5th one is the number of points. So you have 1 point, which means if you calculate this one with this calculator, you get 61.1 pips or 611 points. This means also for the take profit, the price difference is by 108.9 pips or 1089 points. Now let's use an example. For example, let's change only on the last decimal point. For example, if the entry price is 1.06875, the stop loss would be 1.0606876, and the take profit would be 1.06874. Let's click calculate, and this is what you get. You get that the stop loss difference is by 0.0001, which means 0.1 pips, or it is a 1 point. It is the same for the take profit. So if we put here, for example, 1, this will mean that the price has changed by 0.4 pips or 4 points. And this is how you can use points to pip calculator based on the chart and also the symbol price that you currently have. This will easily give you the number of pips and also the number of points for the price difference. So the second one thing that you can try is to change the decimal point. For example, if the price doesn't have 5 decimal points but it has 4 decimal points, and when you click calculate, you will get the price difference is equal to 0 because the last decimal point doesn't count. But if you change this one here to, for example, 6875. We'll put 6 here, and we will put here 6851. Click calculate. And now you have the price difference on the fourth decimal point difference is 1. So if you have 4 decimal point is equal to 1, that means 1 pip. And if you have 1 pip, that will be equal to 10 points, because 1 pip is equal to 10 points. Here we have the price difference is equal to 2 pips, which means 20 points. If you put here a 3 decimal point, this will mean that this is change on the third decimal point is equal to 0. So if you have, for example, USD Japanese yen, which is also a 3 decimal point symbol, you will have the price change visible here in number of pips. So if you put here, just a minute, let's put this one like this. Let's put here the entry price, for example, it will be here, just a minute, at the current market price. Let's put stop loss here, and the profit will be above. Let's put here, entry price is 139.513, stop loss would be 139.324, and the take profit would be 139.972. Click calculate, and this is what you get. The stop loss difference is 18.9 pips, because the last decimal point, which is the third one, is the number of points, and the first and the second after the decimal point is the number of pips. So you have 189 points, which is equal to 18.9 pips. This is the same for the take profit, 45.9 pips, which is equal to 459 points. This means that the pip is equal to 10 points. If you put here that you have a currency symbol, currency pair is with the 2 decimal points, you will see that the last decimal point doesn't count at all. So the third one in the price doesn't count at all in this calculator, but you get only the first two digits after the decimal point. So here we have a 19 pips difference and 46 pips, which is equal to 119 points or 460 points. So this is the points to pip calculator, which helps you to define what is the number of points and also the number of pips when the price change between the entry price and the stop loss and the take profit. If you have any questions regarding this points to pip calculator, please leave a comment and I will try to make a new video to answer your question. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!